Michael Alder here from carpetexpertblueprint.com, and in the last video I showed you how to stretch on a hallway. This video I'm going to show you DIY types how to trim and tuck it in. So most of you will not have a wall trimmer if you're the DIY type, so we're just going to use a knife. You could actually use a utility blade too. We're going to cut it so it's about a 1/4 inch there. We have raised baseboards, so we can get away with that. I'm just going to go ahead and tuck it in and go around the room. Get you a close up here. So pull back. Tuck it in. Give you a shot over here so you get a couple different options. As you can see, there's not a whole lot going up the wall at all. You want to cut it pretty close, just the slightest bit hefty, so when you tuck it in, it pinches in between the tack strip and the wall and gives you a nice clean look. So that's all there is to it. Go ahead, practice at it, suck until you don't suck anymore. Comment below with any questions about the flooring industry. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.